Welcome to Test Your Learning 1 for the unit on loops or iteration-based programming. So for this problem, I want us to write a program that will ask the user to enter an integer. Alright? And then we will take that integer and we will find the sum of the individual digits. So this number 1111, if I were to take each of the digits and add them, I would get 4. So I will print the sum of the digits in 111 is 4. Likewise, if I were to do another example, where I enter 758, then my program, or your program, should output the sum of the digits in 758 is 20, right? Because 5 plus 8 is 13 and 13 plus 7 is 20. Or 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So how do you approach this problem? Well, we know for sure that we will need to ask the user to enter an integer. Okay? Great. So we know we need to convert the input to an integer, right? Okay, no problem there. So if I want to keep the sum of all of these numbers, all of these digits, sorry, well, I need to create a variable that will keep the total of the digits. Okay, so once I have that, then I will need to somehow go through this number digit by digit. Sounds like a loop, digit by digit, and I need to somehow pluck or remove each digit and then add it to my total. Alright, and then I need to somehow move to the next digit. So the best way to do this is to iterate over the number, but select the digits starting from the end, meaning from the right hand side. Okay, so we will need to iterate or loop over the digits, and starting from the right hand side, process each digit. Okay, in other words, add that digit to our total. Okay, so we know for sure that we probably will need to create a variable called total, and we'll assign it 0. Alright, so initially it's empty. Okay, and after we have iterated over the digit, right, and we have added that digit to the total, then we will need to somehow remove that digit. Okay, so that the next digit becomes the last digit. Okay, and then of course finally we'll need to print the result. Okay, so let me go over here to Python tutor and let's discuss if you are given an integer, let's say 456, how do you get the last digit of any integer? Well, that's easy. All you do is to say modulus and 10, and there you go, you always get the last digit. And so you may be asking, how do I get the second to last digit? Well, I could do this, right? Right? But notice it doesn't give me what I wanted. Right? So what I need to do is to somehow get rid of that 6 so that the 5 becomes the last digit. Okay? So I have to make the number smaller. So that's easy. All I need to do, right? So let's start again. Modulus 10 gives me the 6. And if I say 456 modulus, integer division 10, I end up with 45. So notice the last digit has been stripped away. So now I have a number of 45. And so I can easily now do 45 modulus 10, which gives me the 5. And likewise, if I say 45 integer division 10, then I get the 4. And obviously, if I say 4 modulus 10, alright, I get 4. Okay, and if I say 4 integer division 10, I get 0. Because the number is less than 0. Okay, so this gives me a good indication of what I should do. So I know I need a while loop, right? Why do I need a while loop? Because I do not know how big the number that the user will enter. So because I don't know, I'm going to use my while loop. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to say while the number, okay, while the number is greater than 0, right? Because that's what we want. If the number is greater than 0, we know we can still process that number. So while the number is greater than 0, then I want to do these things here. I want to remove the digit. Alright, I want to add it to my total, and then I want to strip it away so that I make the number smaller. Okay, great. So I will leave it here, and I want you to see if you can come up with a solution based on what I have just told you. Now the key idea is this: you must struggle with some problems because it will get you mentally stronger, right? Your coding skills will get stronger. So this problem is somewhat, I told you what I want. I've given you a bit of explanation how to approach it, but ultimately for you to actually get good at programming, you need to figure out the rest. So in the next video, we will look at the solution to this problem and see how we filled in the pieces. Alright, so I will see you in that video. Good luck.